baby.
Unless you want to get on your sister's shoulder.
Hold on. Hold on to Baba's head.
We can Afro-engineer this.
Then you get on his shoulder.
Ready? See, that side's that way, and then
I can't stay out here all day.
Stand right there.
Oh, all right. Get all on.
Sarah, get us.
Look at Sarah, Aylin.
I'm taking video.
Oh my God!
Hey, did you get the picture?
I'm videoing.
Hey, where'd you come from?
Aylin, did you see
Hey.
Get down. I'm gonna get off.
Here, you're gonna have to separate.
Here's right here.
Daddy, you missed it. Zach just had Selena and Day on his.
Hey, take your stuff up and we'll push you in the pool, all right?
You bring my shorts here.
What?
You bring my shorts.
I didn't bring nothing, honey.
Where's my damn shorts and my shoes at? I couldn't find my shoes or nothing.
What did you do with them last night?
This morning.
What did you do with them last night? What did you do with them when you took them
Only
off?
getting wet.
I don't wear your clothes.